Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. For today's project we are building a 8x12 lean-to shed. It's the kind of project that's practical, good-looking, and totally doable, even if you're new to woodworking. First things first, clear and level your site. Get rid of any grass, rocks, or roots and mark your layout with stakes and string. This part might not feel glamorous, but trust me, starting with a level, square foundation makes the rest of the build smooth and satisfying. Next up is the floor frame. We're using 2x6 lumber for strength and durability. Cut your joists, lay them out 16 inches on center, and screw them into the rim boards. Once it's all squared up, measure those diagonals, you're ready to install the 4x4 skids underneath. These help lift the shed off the ground and make sure everything stays dry and solid. Secure them with structural screws and rafter ties for a rock-solid base. Time to frame those walls. Use 2x4s for the studs and plates, keeping everything 16 inches on center. Start with the front wall, it's got the big double door opening, so make sure you build a strong header using 2x6s and 1/2 plywood sandwiched in between. Once that's done, move on to the back and side walls. Don't forget to measure, align, and square as you go, it's worth the time to make everything line up like a dream. With the walls framed, lift them into place one by one. Secure each wall to the floor frame with screws, then tie the corners together so the structure starts feeling sturdy and connected. Add the top wall, yep, that short back wall that gives the roof its slope, and you'll really start to see it take shape. Feels good, doesn't it? Now let's get that roof on. Cut your 2x6 rafters according to the plans, sand the edges, and install them 16 inches on center. Secure them with rafter ties and 5.5 screws for the end rafters, no shortcuts here. Then it's time to deck the roof with 1/2 plywood, followed by a layer of roofing felt. Once that's down, shingle from the bottom up, overlapping as you go. Take your time, it's all about keeping the water out and the shed dry for years to come. Finish strong by building your double doors with 2x4 frames and the siding cutouts you saved earlier. Add your door jambs, hang the doors with heavy-duty hinges, and install a latch to keep it all secure. Trim the roofline with 1x8 boards for that sharp, clean finish, and pop in some soffit vents to keep the air flowing. A coat of paint or stain brings it all to life. And just like that, you've built yourself a beautiful, functional lean-to shed. Job well done. As always, you can find the full plans over at myoutdoorplans.com. Until next time, build your outdoor world.